Friends, hello everyone, and glad to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily recover deleted photos or videos in the gallery on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, friends, first of all, open the gallery on your iPhone. Then go to the Albums section, and here you will have to scroll to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you will see the most recent folder. This is Deleted Files. To get started, go to that folder. You'll need to click on it. And in order to open it, either Face ID or you'll need to enter your phone password. So this way, as you can see, you're going to go to all the previously deleted photos or videos from your gallery. And how can you recover them if you, let's say, accidentally deleted something or you decide to get some file back? To do this, friends, if you want to get back only one photo from your gallery, you will need to click and hold on it. Next, you will need to select Restore. Click on it. As you can see, the photo will instantly disappear and will be restored to your gallery. If you want to restore not just one photo, but one at a time, it takes quite a long time. Then, friends, at the top right, click Select. Now you can mark those photos that you would like to restore. Then at the bottom, click on the three dots and then click Restore. Next, you will need to confirm to restore a certain number of photos. Once you can see, immediately the deleted photos have shifted, which means that the selected photos have been restored. And to check this, you can go back to the gallery, go to all the photos and search, for example, the photos you have restored earlier. That's the way you can easily recover deleted photos and videos with your gallery on iPhone. I really hope, friends, that you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.